That's the problem. It's a bigger prop, so and you gotta adjust the needle. Yeah, it was. You could have put a like 10.8 on there instead of a 10.6. On 11. On 11.6, 11.7. Ready?
Channel cleared. Take off flight.
You take off so much faster, so I'll let you go first.
I do.
I'll let you go first, and I'll be right behind you.
I even wish they made a big. I mean, I imagine that's
Well, there are a lot of people that love it. Go, turn.
taking off.
Channel cleared.
Oh, God, it's beautiful right now. Holy crap. Look at the sky.
Like, I miss you.
Oh, me too, honey. I'll see you after dark.
Take it off.
I'll go behind you. I'll let you, because you're going to be airborne before me. Oh, wait. Me too now. Holy crap. Me too now. I'm liking it. Let's take me too. Ooh.
Side by side.
Go, let me get up there where you are.
How did you pass? Let's do that again. I want to keep it tighter.
I usually got to be a little ahead of you in the turn. I'm going to wait because I turned early. There we go. Okay. We got pushed. So still pretty cool though. I don't need to go crazy. I just want to do touch.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Go. It's weird over there.
Yeah. I can't keep a straight line.
It's not you, it's the wind.
Alright, let's go crazy.
So I'll
Fast pass?
go. Yeah, let's do fast pass and then we'll do a break and then do touch and goes one after the other. Right there. It won't take me any time to catch you. Don't worry about that. Go. Whoa, you crossed me. Dude, I am digging this. It's got way more thrust now. It doesn't fall off anymore. Alright, pulling away to do touch and go.
Gear down. Take off flat. Flaps up. Gear up.
I need to mix rudder into the gear.
It's still... Okay, I'm just going to do a touch and go. No flaps this time.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear up.
Alright, time for some fast passes. Let's do it together. I'll wait for you. I'll be behind you.
Mind if I join you crazies?
30 seconds.
I'm coming for you. Dude, look at this thing now.
It is nuts.
Still?
10, 9,
Shit, already time to come in.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
I'm loving your setup in that though, Frank. They never would have been this close ever before. Whoa! What the hell, Frank? Nutball?
Gear down. Landing flat.
Alright. Where are you? Come on. I'll be behind you. Just tell me where you are. Oh, I'm good. I didn't even roll.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Dude, I am digging the setup. Woo!
But a bit fuzzy though.
What? Nate's? Yeah, I think you might have sucked the rock in or something.
You guys want to balance it? I wouldn't mind. I mean, no, seriously. I don't think I sucked the rock and it's always sounded like that.
Really?
Is that an off balance thing?
It sounds a little bit, yeah. I'm not going to do it today.
Oh yeah, there's.
What's your voltage? The clouds look awesome right now. It's like there's a lot of humidity in the air.
This thing has a pretty good top speed with this fan.
It does. It's just a fast plane altogether.